I wanted to build a console of some type. The bench seat I purchased for the truck required that the console be short rather than pass between a pair of bucket seats. I also had the shifter location to consider. I began experimenting with various console shapes made of cardboard to get the general idea of a shape that would fit the truck properly. I eventually decided on a shape that would fit my needs and transferred the shape to MDF board. The wooden pieces were cut as a pair to make both sides identical. After the sides were made, a center spacer board was added to temporarily hold the sides in place. A lot of wiring passes through the console area as the truck's electronic ignition, coil, several switches, and warning lights are located here. I then shaped a removable aluminum center for the console and cut the opening for the shift lever. The upper aluminum panel was formed with holes made for the location of several warning lights, made by Alpine Tech, as well as the digital EFI monitor. I then installed the seat and found that the console needed a bit of trimming on the end closest to the seat for a better fit. The console was drilled for the mounting of the shifter boot trim ring. It was time to cover the console. I used weldwood contact adhesive to attach the foam and found it to work very well. This photo shows the center pieces of the console covered with the leather. This material matches that used in the seats and door panels. The weldwood adhesive was also used to install the leather. The sides of the console were then covered. Here are a couple photos of the completed console on my workbench before installation. The warning lights for parking brake, brake system pressure loss, cruise control, and reverse lights were then wired into the console. A double USB charging port was also added.